Let's make my favorite 3-ingredient baba ganoush style eggplant dip that turns out incredible every time. All you need is an eggplant. You're going to cut the top off, then you're going to slice that in half, slice some 1-inch lines perpendicular and then lengthwise. Add in or add on a generous amount of olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Throw that in the oven at 350 degrees and leave in for anywhere between 40 to 50 minutes. Now, my favorite part, I'm walking to my home garden where I'm going to pick some parsley to top and garnish off this delicious dish. So after that eggplant is finished cooking, you want it to look like this. And then you're going to drizzle with some creamy keyword tahini, and you can be generous with the tahini. And then we're going to sprinkle on some parsley as you see here, and voila guys, this is what I call the easiest baba ganoush plant-based style dip you will ever eat, and it is so tasty. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you try. Let me know if you do.